we want to take a look at dividing rational expressions. So when in doubt, remember the very first thing you want to do is you want to factor. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go through and we're going to factor this. So I need two sets of parentheses. I need the factors of 1, the signs are the same, so the factors of 1 that add up to 2, which is 1 and 1. Both signs are negative. On the bottom, I notice I have an x in common, so that leaves me with x squared plus 1. And then this is divided by, and I'm going to have to factor the top, the numerator. The factors of 2 that have a difference of 1, which is 2 and 1, the larger sign is a positive. And on the bottom they have a 3 in common, and I want x squared plus 1. So what I need to do is I need to find out what the denominator cannot be. What am I going to exclude from the domain? So on the left, I can't have x cannot equal 0. And with x squared plus 1, that's not going to matter. It's always going to be okay because I'm squaring it. So when I'm doing division, I'm actually going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to rewrite the first term. And now I want to multiply, and so I'm going to invert this second one. Now, when I do that, what I want to do is I want to cancel. Remember, anything over itself is 1. So here's an x minus 1, and here's an x minus 1. And here's an x squared plus 1, and an x squared plus 1. And then I want to go back and I want to rewrite everything that's left over. Now, I have an x plus 2, so I'm going to have to add to this x cannot equal 0, and I'm going to have to do x plus 2 equals 0, and so x cannot be negative 2. So this is your answer with your exceptions.